Hi, welcome to our channel HNI News. Today we are going to discuss the importance of kidneys and 12 kidney damaging habits. Kidneys are bean-shaped organs located on either side of the spine, just below the rib cage, and play a crucial role in keeping us healthy. They filter waste products, excess fluids and toxins from the blood to produce urine, regulate blood pressure, and even help in the production of red blood cells and maintain electrolyte balance in our body. We all know the importance of managing good health, but unknowingly, we indulge in some habits that may affect our vital organs. We will discuss some habits that may be silently damaging our kidneys. Firstly, not drinking enough water. When you don't hydrate your body adequately, it can lead to dehydration, a common cause of kidney stones and other kidney-related complications. Secondly, excessive salt consumption. You may like that dash of extra salt in your fries, but not the kidney, as high sodium intake can escalate your blood pressure and damage the kidney. Excessive alcohol consumption can lead to dehydration, liver diseases, and high blood pressure, all of which can damage the kidneys. So drink in moderation. Overusing painkillers. Do you regularly take medicine for headache or knee pain? Stop immediately, as excessive use of painkillers like ibuprofen and aspirin can damage the kidneys. Always consult your doctor before making any medication a routine. Smoking reduces blood flow to the kidneys, thus increasing the risk of kidney disease. Quitting may not be easy, but it is worth it. Consuming too much protein, especially from animal sources, can increase the workload on the kidneys as they work to metabolize the protein byproducts. Ignoring urinary tract infections. Untreated urinary tract infections can lead to kidney infections, which can cause permanent damage if not treated promptly. Sedentary lifestyle. Lack of physical activity can contribute to obesity. Being overweight or obese increases the risk of developing diabetes and high blood pressure, both of which can damage the kidneys. Ignoring high blood pressure or diabetes means ignoring red flag for kidney damage, as these medical conditions are the leading causes of kidney disease. Consult the doctor regularly. Ignoring regular health checkups. Regular checkups can help detect early signs of kidney disease or other health problems. Excessive caffeine consumption from coffee and energy drinks can affect your kidneys. Switch to non-caffeinated drinks. These habits might seem inconsequential, but over time, they can lead to serious kidney damage. So, habits that could be harming your kidneys, like excessive salt, high protein diets, and not drinking enough water, should be avoided, as these habits can have a significant impact on your kidneys over time. Let's opt for a balanced diet, stay hydrated, and remember to move around regularly. It's not about drastic changes, but small, consistent steps towards a healthier lifestyle. Remember, your kidneys are vital to your overall health. Take good care of them. Please like, share, and comment about what kidney damaging habits you need to stop. For more health tips, subscribe to our channel and stay informed.